snacks. Are you kidding me, bro?
Vete. ¡Oh, mami!
Look, can a Callie swim? Oh my god.
Louise. Whoa!
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the man?
Oh my god! What is wrong with you? Oh, baby.
According to this logic, that plump human is definitely hiding snacks somewhere.
Okay.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
Do you want something? Do you want? What do you want?
Say when.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Hi, Donnie. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, little cutie. Hello. No, get down. Get down.
Ote. Ote. Hey.
Look, Goose. You like it?
¡Suéltame, hijo de la chingada! ¡Suéltame, hijo de la chingada!
Yeah. Party's over. Okay, Doc.
Rupee!
Come on then.
It wasn't me.
Pa. 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 Give me a pa. Oh my god, I'm so hungover. I've never been this hungover. Are we dead?
This is what happens when the dog runs off. Has a lot of long hair on his neck. Pix, come here. Stop. Let's take a look at your neck. That's just lovely. Oh, shake.
Estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? Cállate.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. No. Bart, shut up.
Do you miss Mama? You miss? Oh no! Oh yeah. Oh, you're gonna pretend to be hurt? Oh, I knocked your laptop over. Ríete.
We got lunch. We got lunch. We got one.
Hey, buddy. Are you okay? Si tienes suerte, un perro llegará a tu vida, robará tu corazón y lo cambiará todo.
Bob, we gotta go to soccer. You can't come. Okay? You gotta stay here. Bye, Bob.
Hey!
Shoot you!
Okay, buddy, come on.
Oh, bear.
Están curando el área.
Bigyan ako, ¿qué onda, che?
7, 8, 9, ¡go!
Bungie, look at me.
Let's go see what's outside. Oh, gosh. Oh!
To do a higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer,
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh!
快点尿。
Aren't you glad we switched to AT&T?
Yes, but I want my own invisible cord.
You've already got one, Dad.
Sure, I can find you that.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
What? You're always fucking looking at me, dude. Shut the fuck up because I always catch you staring. I swear, ask anybody, dude. Anybody.
And we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama.
Zo!
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it.
Nope. Oh, okay. Oh, should I be recording this? This feels wrong. Well, okay.
Obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it, and I think this is an obsession.
My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
attacking me. Stop. Stop.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's married. Oh.
Why'd you kick me?
Isso!
Sit, 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 sit. Look. You want it? Good boy. Here.
Was ang uling tiyo?
Get it, kid.
Oh my god! Come on, Daddy!
Cheese. Cheese. Come on. Cheese. Come on. Let's go.
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Ey!
Oh, shit.
Hasta las... A mí se le todos que hay que venir a al concurso. Ya hicimos la...
Okay, galit tayo. Si Prince at si Calvo ay magkaibigan. Uncle Angel is not doing his job.
Qua đạo đi à. Sao xua lắm.
Here, come on. Come on. No, come on. Annie, here. I can't.
Come on. Come on, Jess. Come on, big jump. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, no.
Really? Really? Do you mind?
But you see here on the left-hand side, you're going to start with the actual citation.
Fix your face.
Ну, втроем нам. Нормально, мы втроем.
Oh!
I don't want to wake your boy. Benjamin!
What are you looking for?
Ala! Yoo! Sigula Pio! You can't touch!
Come on.
Rวมพลัง เย้เก่งมาก
Baby, quiet, trying to save Odin.
There he goes.
I don't. Owen's like, what are you doing?
Stop.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
We have Pepper not appreciating.
Astro, somebody's outside, they got their dog with them, and they're about to fight me. You ready to fight them? Come on, let's go. You ready to fight them? Let's go. Gotta get your teddy bear first? Okay, let's go.
He's gonna drown himself.
Come on, door! Now! Right fucking now! I'm going to fuck.
Did someone try to eat a bee? Yeah, they sure did.
Yeah.
Tiene cara de perrito malo. Claramente estás equivocado.
Did you get enough water? Oh.
And look at this little businessman!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Talk to me.
Oh.
You wanna go outside?
Bang.
Huh? A few moments later.